Hello guys, I'm Ahmed from Asad and Ahmed channel. I'm gonna talk about the fight between Khabib and Mc Gregor. UFC 229 Khabib vs Mc Gregor was a mixed martial arts event produced by the Ultimate Fighting Championship UFC that was held on October 6, 2018 at T-Mobile Arena in Paradise, Nevada, part of the Las Vegas metropolitan area. The event was headlined by UFC Lightweight Championship between the undefeated current champions Khabib Nurmagomedov and former featherweight and lightweight champion Conor McGregor. McGregor captured the lightweight title at UFC 205 when he was the reigning featherweight champion. McGregor never defended the title as he took some time off in 2017 due to the birth of his first son and later venturing himself in a boxing match against Floyd, in which he lost. First meetings between the pair began surprisingly cordially. 4 years ago, Khabib tweeted a picture of a McGregor branded t-shirt and the pair bonded, even attempting to set up a training session, although it's unclear if the workout took place. In this match, Khabib Nurmagomedov jumped over the cage because a teammate of McGregor talks about his religion, his country and his father. Khabib Nurmagomedov has posted a mock apology on Instagram for the cage side brawl he instigated after his victory over Conor McGregor at UFC 229. It was a short story from this match and I hope you like this video, and please subscribe our channel and like our video.